Perfect Kenyan roast meat recipe and juicy Nyama Choma at home. Ever wondered how to get that juicy, smoky Nyama Choma taste at home? Let's roast some magic. Forget the hotel bill. Today, I'll show you how to make Kenya's favorite roast meat right from your kitchen or backyard. Juicy, tender, and full of fire. Let's go. Start with fresh beef or goat meat. Today I'm using 1 kilogram of bone-in goat. Slice into medium pieces, big enough to stay juicy, but small enough to cook through. Now for flavor, rub in a mix of salt, crushed garlic, ginger, a pinch of chili flakes, and a splash of lemon juice. This gives it that punch. Let the meat sit for at least 30 minutes. But if you can leave it overnight in the fridge, it's even better. Let those flavors soak in. Trust me, the magic happens here. Now let's roast. You can use a charcoal jiko, oven, or even a pan. Today I'm using a wire rack over charcoal, just like at the butchery. Flip every 7 to 10 minutes for even cooking. Brush with lemon and a touch of oil to keep it moist. Don't rush it, slow roast gives that unforgettable choma flavor. Once you see that golden char and juicy inside, it's time. Serve it hot with kachumbari, ugali, or just straight off the grill. Crispy outside, juicy inside, that's how we choma. Love this recipe. Hit that like button, subscribe for more Kenyan cooking vibes, and tell me in the comments what should we choma next.